Welcome to AI Tools, your survival kit. Today, we'll explore 22 ChatGPT plugins that can change your life. Let's dive in. First up, the Wolfram Plugin. Imagine solving complex equations in seconds. A mathematician's dream come true. Next, Zapier. Automate your life across thousands of applications. Efficiency at its best. Ask your PDF. Read and analyze PDF files effortlessly. A researcher's best companion. Instacart. Simplify your grocery shopping with voice commands. Convenience redefined. Video insights. Analyze and summarize video content. Stay informed without the watch time. Kayak. Your personal travel agent. Book flights and hotels with ease. Link Reader. Read and summarize web content. Knowledge at your fingertips. Keymate AI Search. Advanced algorithms for relevant search results. Find what you need fast. Lexi Shop. Your fashion advisor. Dress to impress with personalized recommendations. OpenTable. Book a table with a simple command. Finding out made easy. Golden. A mini encyclopedia in your pocket. Knowledge has never been so accessible. Show me. Visualize complex subjects. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Gmail. Manage your emails like a pro. Stay organized and clutter-free. Spotify. Your personal DJ. Music for every mood. Crypto prices. Stay updated with real-time market trends. Invest wisely. Speech key. Bring ChatGPT to life with text-to-speech. Hear the future.
Welcome back to Urban Evolution, the podcast where we delve into how cities around the world have adapted and evolved.
One-word domains. Find the perfect domain name. Branding made simple. Copart. Hunt for the best discounts online. Save time and money. EdX. Discover online courses tailored to your interests. Never stop learning. Tasty. Your culinary expert. Cook like a chef with personalized recipes. Web Pilot. Enhance your browsing experience. Navigate and summarize with ease. Last but not least, the Code Interpreter plugin. Write, debug, and understand code like a pro. A developer's must-have. These plugins are shaping our future, enhancing productivity, enriching learning, and transforming our interaction with technology. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of AI, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned to AI Tools, your survival kit, for more exciting content. Until next time, keep innovating and stay curious.